What is up, everybody? Thank you very much for stopping by our YouTube channel to check out what's in the shop this Wednesday. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that. We're going to start here in the tint bay. We've got Terrell and Kevin tinting an Acura RDX, I think this is, right?
Yes, RDX.
This is getting a full XR ceramic tint job. It's going to block lots of heat, looks great, lasts forever. Summer's coming, quicker than you think. Spring, I guess, then summer. We've got an AMG GTS. This one got paint protection film removed and reinstalled on the front end. We didn't do the original install. But it was starting to get pitted and just generally beat up. So it's got new film on it. Austin is now working on polishing the paint. We're going to be ceramic coating this car. Those wheels are filthy. Those are coming off and getting a ceramic coating also. So this thing's going to look like brand new by the time it leaves. I think it's a 2015. G-Wagon, brand new G63. These things are near impossible to get. Full stealth wrap on this one. So it's a factory Magno finish, which means it is a satin appearance to begin with. Really hard to take care of. It stains easily, it scratches easily. There's nothing you can do to take care of it if it does scratch. So it's very important if you have a Magno finish car from Mercedes to wrap the entire thing. There's some new Cadillacs that are that way as well. We have a Blackwing CT5 at the Pittsburgh store right now. It's a matte finish paint job. Over here we've got Frank, AKA Jake. He sells shoes, and on the side he installs cat skins for us. So been here for a while, but we're doing a leather conversion from cloth on a RAV4. Caleb Van Gogh is over here polishing a truck. What's this one getting, Caleb? Gold package, Ceramic Pro Gold package, 5 layers of ceramic on the Silverado. On the lift, we have a Honda Accord, and this car has paint protection film installed on the front end, I believe, right? Yeah, and he liked it so much, he said, hey, I want to add the rocker panels. So it's back here for rocker panel protection. That's what Aaron's working on now. All right, so outside, it's actually a beautiful day here. Sun's shining, we've got a Mazda. This one's got a remote start installed, or it's next on deck for a remote start. Not sure if it's done yet or not. California plates on that. Toyota Camry. So this car is a ceramic coating. This got a Ceramic Pro Bronze package, a full polish. Actually looks really, really good. In a RAV4, this is the one that the seats are out of. It's getting the cat skins installed. This Escalade was here for a full wrap in paint protection film previously, and something happened to the one mirror, some kind of scuff or something, so we were removing and replacing the film on that mirror. It's ready to go home. And that's, I think, an excavator. I don't know my machinery very well, but that one's getting window tint as well as some paint protection film around the bottom. You guys know Mr. Barbish Incorporated. He does excavating and plumbing and property maintenance stuff. That's one of his machines. He keeps his stuff ridiculously nice. Okay, and over here we've got a 4Runner. This one's getting a remote start system installed, followed by a Super Duty paint protection film on the front end. So the bumper, as well as the rocker panels and the rear bumper. Also got the front windows tinted, and it's ready to roll. So this Shelby truck, we're about to start prepping and coating it this afternoon. So you can see, prepping and polishing it this afternoon. I'm not sure if his camera will get it, I'm sure it will. There are a lot of swirl marks and micro scratches in this. It looks like maybe through an automatic car wash, but they're all relatively light. So when this thing polishes out, it is gonna look beautiful, but right now in the sun, it is pretty darn bad. All right, over here's the R32. You've seen this for a couple of weeks now, and it's getting a ceramic coating, or I'm sorry, it is ceramic coated, the paint at least. We need to do the wheels, we need to do the interior. That's gonna happen at the beginning of next week or the end of this week. Lincoln, we tinted the front windows and the sunroofs. This has a panoramic roof. So a lot of people get those tinted for heat rejection purposes. My wife's Tesla is super, super hot because of that big glass roof. You can always tint that and block a lot of heat. All right, so around the front of the building, we've got a Hyundai. I'm actually not sure what this one's here for. I'm sure somebody at the front counter does know what that is. And a Trail Boss, this one's here for window tint on the front 2 windows. That's getting pulled in here very shortly. So that's all that's going on here at the Latrobe Shop 1. We're gonna take it down to Latrobe Shop 2. Maybe we'll get lucky and have some time to check in with Luke at Gibsonia.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout Tinting Gibsonia. We are super busy today, so I can't show you what's going on in the back right this second, but I wanted to show you one car in particular. This 2022 CT5 Blackwing. It's super rare. It's one of 3,000. Has factory matte paint. On the inside of the vehicle, we have some factory bucket seats. They are black diamond stitch. In the back have Alcantara accents. Super cool, you don't see many of these out there. This is in for a full window tint job. It's gonna get the XR 20% on all the side windows and the back window, along with a 5% windshield visor.
All right, guys, we're over here at the other shop in Latrobe, and we are working on a vinyl wrap. Jimmy and Steve are here getting that laid down. We're transforming this gloss black truck to satin black. It also had a pinstripe we took off, some decals on the bed sides that we took off. You can see we've got the doors, the back doors, the bed side is done. He's about to do that front fender right now. How's it going, Jimmy? Coming out good? Jimmy says good. We've also got Jimmy's car. So this is a Volkswagen GLI wrapped. I think you guys have seen it in the parking lot more than once. It's on air. Looks awesome. Aaron's Camaro is getting stored back there, and we've got Guy's ZR1. We're just waiting on a new front splitter to show up for that thing. So that's it for what's going on in the shop this week and at North Pittsburgh and at the vinyl wrap shop here in Latrobe. So thank you guys very much for watching. We've got exciting news coming for you very, very soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on what's going on.